The Oxford is an iconic brewhouse opportunity located in southwestern Ontario, ready for a brewery that wants to take their business to the next level. Located just east of London in pristine downtown Ingersoll and surrounded by more than 1 million people within a 30-minute drive, the Oxford provides a turnkey opportunity for breweries ready to expand. With a majestic stone facade, soaring ceilings, full commercial kitchen, 2 loading docks, multiple offices, and storage, the Oxford is primed to house brewing and production, retail, food service, and corporate offices. We are inviting established breweries to join over 30 national franchises and banks in Ingersoll's busy downtown core. To ensure the success of the incoming brewery, Sagala's Design and Build has arranged over $1.2 million in government grants and loans, which can be used for renovations, leasehold improvements, equipment purchases, moving expenses, or whatever your company needs to get set up and open for business. The Oxford is truly a rare and unique opportunity to merge your brand with this iconic piece of history and have funding at your fingertips. To find out more and to book a walkthrough, visit 184oxford.ca.